Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Mario. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by zooming in and drawing the head. We'll start with an oval for the nose. Next, let's add the eyes. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve up and over. And the same thing on the right. Now from the end, let's curve it down and back into the nose. Next, inside each eye, let's add a curve like this. And then inside, let's draw a curve up and down. And then a small circle inside at the top of each of these. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's move up and draw the eyebrows. Let's start by drawing a curve on top of each eye. Then from the end, let's bring it up. And then curve it back down towards the center, forming a point. And that's it for the eyebrows. Next, let's move down and draw the mustache. From the sides of the nose, let's draw curves up and out. Then for the ends, let's curve it down and in. And let's draw two bumps to the center on both sides. And that's it for the face. Next, let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on the left side next to the eyebrows here, and let's draw a curve down, stopping near the top of the mustache. And the same on the right. Now let's curve it out slightly and back in. And now let's curve these down to the center to form the chin. Next, let's hop back up to the top and let's draw a curve across that's slightly longer on both sides. Then for the ends, let's curve it down and in for the sideburns. Next, let's add the ears. On the left, let's draw a curve up and back down, and the same on the right. Next, inside each ear, let's draw a curve and then bring it up at the end. That's it for the ears. Next, let's hop up and draw the hat. Let's start by drawing a curve on top for the brim. Now let's move up on top and let's draw a curve across here. Then let's continue it down on the left to the ear. And the same thing on the right. Now let's add the logo. Inside the hat, let's draw an oval. And now let's add the letter M inside. We'll start with a V shape at the top. Then bring it down on an angle from both sides. Now let's do the same thing underneath. And then close off the ends. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and draw the body. Let's start by drawing the collar of his shirt. Underneath the head, let's draw 2 curved lines down, leaving a small gap in the middle. Then let's curve it down and out. And then a curve back up to the face. Now from the inside, let's draw curves down. And then another set next to it. Next, let's move over and draw the suspenders of the overalls. We'll start at the top near the shoulders and let's draw a small curve out on both sides. Now for the end, let's bring it down and then curve it back up to the collar. And let's do the same on the right. Now let's move inside at the bottom and draw a circle. And then let's draw another circle inside each of these. Next, in between the suspenders, let's draw a curve across, like this. Next, let's move down and draw the tops of the overalls. Let's draw a curve down on the left and on the right. And then a curve across the bottom. Now inside, let's add the pocket. Let's start with a curve across for the top. Then from the sides, let's bring it down and curve it in. And then connect them at the bottom. Let's stop here on the overalls and let's add the arms next. Let's start from the shoulder and let's draw an angled line down and then angle it down again. And then a diagonal line for the underside of the arm. Next, let's add the gloves. Let's start with a curve at the end of each arm like this. Now for the top line, let's curve it down and we're going to extend it lower. Now let's curve it out on the bottom for the thumb. Now let's draw the next finger. Inside here, let's draw a bent line. Then let's curve it down to the thumb and angle it back up. And the same on the other hand. Now let's add another finger with a small bent line. And then again. and then an angled line to close off the top of the hand. And that's it for the arms and hands. Next, let's move down and draw the legs. Let's start on the sides of the body and let's draw angled lines down on both sides. Now let's hop in the middle and let's draw a curve across. And then above this line, let's draw a vertical line and then curve it up on the right. Now underneath, let's draw the inside of the legs with 2 angles down. Now at the bottom, let's add a small bump. Next, let's hop to the outside and add a bent line. And then close off the bottom of the pants with another curve. And that's it for the pants. Next, let's add the shoes. Let's start on the inside and let's draw a small curve down. Then from the outside, a larger curve down and in for the top of the shoes. Now let's connect them with a curve like this. Next, let's add the sole of the shoe underneath. Let's start with small curves down on the front and on the back. And then connect them with the same curve. Now let's move inside and draw the details to the shoe. Let's start with a curve across the middle and then curve it down. And then inside this at the top, another curve. And then let's draw 3 curves at the top for the shoelaces. And that's it for Mario. Now let's quickly color him in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!